impressed by these brows. Yes, ma'am. Like, okay, sis. Okay, sis. Suck it up, sis. Yeah. Hey y'all, I'm back with another video. In today's video, I am doing my makeup. Okay, look, for my birthday, ma'am. It's a yes for me. Yeah, I'm gonna use my base, which is 12 in my I Am Magic Juvias Place concealer, which is my favorite. I love their concealers. It's so creamy, like you can't get that nowhere else. Other than that, brows are snatched. All right, and I'm just gonna apply it on my lid. All right, y'all, let's go ahead and get into this look, honey. Yes, ma'am. So I am using my Juvias concealer, and I'm just gonna tap it on my lid, you know, because we gotta have a real good foundation. And so now I'm just going to blend it out with a brush. Okay. So now we can set it and forget it with our setting powder as we place it on our lid so we can be flawless, just like Beyonce. Ooh, that look good. Y'all, this is my first time getting a real good base. Okay. Hard work pays off. Don't stop doing what you love because you think it don't look right. Okay? I don't know who needs to hear this, but sis, you are a work in progress. You will progress as long as you practice. Keep practicing, keep doing what you think you should be doing to achieve your dreams and your goals. Make a plan and see it through. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk. Welcome back. You like it. So I'm really like in love with this purple. This is the Violets by Juvias. I love their palettes, and these are all the colors. I don't know if y'all can see. Those are all the colors, and I'm gonna use the light purple one over here. Now, I know I had to do a purple look for my birthday, so I'm starting with this very beautiful lilac color, and I'm just gonna tap that all over my lid with my brush. It doesn't matter what brush you use, sis. Just use the brush that you got. How you liking that purple lid? Ain't it bootimus? All right, and I'm gonna take this sparkly purple right here. You can't see it, but it's sparkly. It's this one right there. Y'all, I'm so excited about this sparkly glitter. Oh my gosh, you get to play with glitter. Oh my gosh. So I'm gonna go ahead and place that right in my inner corners, okay, sis? I wanna add more depth to my colors, so I'm gonna add this from my Berries palette. It's like a dark purple-ish color right here. Ooh, right here. Now, y'all know I'm a drama queen, so y'all know I had to get extra dramatic in my creases. Okay, sis, so to pick up pigment as fast and as quick as possible, I use my fingers because that is the tool that I carry with me 24/7. I really like this purplish color, and it's free $99. I really like it. So I'm just using that to intensify my lid space. Blend, blend, blend it out, smooth as it can be. Verily, a hot ass mess you'll be. I like it. And see. Alright, should I do gems? Because I feel like I want to be extra today. Using my Epic liner. It's time to line it up. Line it up. Line it up. Line it up. Y'all, the struggle is so real. This must have been a real good day because my liners were sisters. They was not twins. They was sisters. This is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Yo, I keep dropping them and I don't know how to put them on my face. I feel like I'm about to give up. I got it. Now how I'm gonna get that on here? I did it. 20 more to go. What? I'm just kidding. I'm not doing 25. I'll probably just do a little bit here, a little bit there. So you know your girl struggled a little bit putting these gems on. So what I did was I put the glue, let it dry a little bit, put it on the brush, and then put the glue on the back of the gem so it could stick. And sis, this is the easiest way for me. All right, y'all, I'm gonna do the next side off camera, and I'm gonna get right back to beat my face. All right, y'all, I'm back. How you like my bedazzle? I'm going back in with that lilac color. I don't even know. I'm gonna have to give these colors some names because I don't know what to call it. Okay, so I did that. Y'all, I'm gonna attempt these purple eyelashes. Leave a comment down below, sis, if you want me to do more videos like this one. If you want me to do something different, leave a comment, let me know, because help me help you help yourself. I'm using Juvias Place 205. She doesn't want to focus, that's fine. She has her days. Because I want light coverage, I don't want full coverage, you know? I want skin. Skin. See, you can't really see I put anything on my face, but you know. Just to tighten up a little bit. I just want even skin tone, just once. Let me go ahead and highlight. Yes, ma'am, because we gotta highlight. Where is my highlighter? Here it is. Number 12. Number 12. So let me go ahead and blend this in, and I will be right back because you know it takes 25 days. But I'm gonna show y'all how I do it a little bit like this. You gotta use your lips like this. And push it in. I'm not gonna bake today, y'all, cause I want like a more natural finish. Yes, ma'am. Gotta get that 5 head. Okay, we look like a ghost now, but we gonna clean it up. We gonna clean it up, sis. So I'm gonna take my contour shade, which is Earth, here, right there, a little bit there, a little bit there. I don't think I need to contour my jaw or anything, so. I do want to add a little color to my cheek. Just a little bit, just a smidge on my cheeks for blush. Alright, I'm gonna mix this gold color with this white one, the golden white. Time to spray. Alright, y'all, this is the final look. And I feel like a princess right now. It's my birthday. I love it. Alright, y'all, I'm feeling myself. And sis, what y'all think about this look? Didn't it kind of gather? I was a little nervous at first. I was like, I don't know what I'm doing. But girl. Yes, ma'am. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like. Go ahead and subscribe since you always come back, sis, because I'm going to be bringing you quality content. And in order for me to bring quality content, I need you to subscribe. I need you to interact and leave a comment down below. Don't be shy. Okay, I want to get to know every one of y'all. I will see y'all in my next video. Peace.
We ain't never finished, yeah. We ain't never finished, yeah. You got the right one at the right time. You got the right one at the right time. Go get it, go.